I think that were built. Only about 77 remain flying anywhere in the world. Many of them had their wings cut off during the part of the Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty back many years ago. But ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Air Force, it's the incredible B-52 bomber, known as the Buff, the big, ugly, fat fella. Originally TF-33. Serving as part of the triad of America's nuclear-capable aircraft, bomber aircraft, since that time, and will continue to be in service until 2040. That's how well this aircraft is being built. Look at that. Now watch him pull up. If you look carefully, you can actually see the wings bend just a little bit. They really flex a lot. Our air boss, Ralph Royce, was saying, come on, give us a max climb. And those guys are saying, I don't think so. Now look at the smoke coming from the engines. That's something from old-time jet engine technology. Nowadays, engines are nearly smokeless, making jet aircraft who are flying with today with more modern engines less visible to the enemy. That's kind of a giveaway, and that was the case with jet engines. Very indelicate, but that's exactly what they're doing. They aerial refuel anything from another KC-135 to a C-5 Galaxy to an F-16 Fighting Falcon. Ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Air Force, the KC-135 Stratotanker. As I mentioned earlier, I told you I looked at the smoke coming from the B-52 and their earlier turbofan engines. Half of the KC-135s that were built, about 400 of them, have been re-engined with these brand new CM56 engines that generate about 21,600 pounds. The KC-135 Stratotanker. From Grissom Air Reserve Base right up the road at Peru, Indiana. There's the salute to all the kids and all of you. A little wing waggle. And Worth tells me that they're headed back. Let's see, we'll see the gear there. Yep, gears up, flaps up. Boom up.
That means they've been good ones, though, you know?
Interestingly, as big as that airplane is, it only takes a crew of 3 to make that airplane as the entire engine nacelle on the end of each wing rotates forward, so those huge rotors can now become propellers. Each of the jet engines, the Allison, formerly Allison, now Rolls-Royce engines made right here in Indianapolis, are powering this amazing airplane known as the V-22, the MV-22 Osprey. Major Tom Viper Cothran is the instructor pilot. He is a native of Indianapolis, Indiana. The other captain is Captain Anthony Fuzzy Sparazza.